Let's get the party started. Whoa, that was wild right there. 55 people, let's talk. I was ready to go out. I was going out Saturday night for a cocktail. So, hold on a second. That happened a little too quick. There's the Bitcoin, what, 59,000 down to 51,000 in 2 seconds. Crushed alts. We got lucky there. I had a lot of sleepless nights, not being long, as everybody would know. Not cool. Man, let me give you a wrench if I can while everything's moving fast. Little flip. That's your rap name? All right. I don't know what, 56,000 Bitcoin. Ethereum 2214. Guys, I don't know where I bought Ethereum. Uh, I bought some, I know, at the lows, but I bought some off the lows. I had too many orders to go. Carrie was out of bed helping me, so I moved as fast as we could. Lauren, let me give you a wrench. What up, Steve? You are wrenched straight over the head. 55,850 Bitcoin, Ethereum 2209, Litecoin 266. We had buys in a 54.5 on the break. I bought as much as I could. I'd like to see the dust settle, or I would have bought more. What's up, Almer? I did what I could there. I don't know. I guess that news of money laundering is old news. I don't know. I don't know what that was. So a chance to buy is, I guess, all I know it was. Salzer, give you a wrench. So one thing we're going to look at first of all, I mean, here's Bitcoin USD Bitfinex in front of us. Let me make sure. We had a 39.5 as that break was happening. I know we got below that. I quoted 39.5 on the Discord, but I think that was when we made the first 55,000 low. Because now we got Bitcoin USD Bitfinex technometer at 43. Again, that was 38. I'm sure buy at the low. Bitcoin USD consolidated, 140 exchanges. Technometer there. Again, it was 41.5 going into that low. We're still at 41. Again, I would think it probably got down there in that 38 level as well. Bitcoin USDT. What up, Brian? Let me give you a wrench. Flowen, what's up? We'll give you a wrench. We know you're in the Discord. There's 41.23 on the technometer for Bitcoin USDT. Let me switch this. There we are. So 41 somewhat on the technometers now, but they registered buys at the lows. No doubt. What's up, William? I've still got a little money to invest, so I'm going to hopefully let this play out. That was a little too fast, a little too quick. But that's how wave E's are supposed to end. Stock market not open. Crazy times. Let's go and look at, I've been showing these over and over. No one needs to ask me what I've been looking for. I gave and I said the bull one actually hurt itself when it fell below 61,000 or so. So if we go to the 4 hour, let me find these. This was the only bull count that I had, and I had mentioned that it got too deep there at 61,000 or so, which ruined that one. That was never my real count. This was my count all along, preferred. This will still be my count. That was just an E-wave. E-wave usually ends on news that's quickly reversed. That's what E-waves do. So I'm guessing that's what it was. It did get a little deep. I don't think it would have got so deep without a little bit of FUD, a little bit of news, I guess, that probably, as always, The whales driven that down or whatever. So I think that's the count. We just did an E wave. You know, I've been showing also this count here, which same type of thing, a little deep, but all that would do is take us to a new high. So we'll watch that as we rally if we get this thing going. But this here, this would take us maybe to 70,000, 76,000, whatever. I'll throw a number on that later. The triangle is what, about 43 to, let's say 63, 20,000. Yeah, I could say 72,000, like is what I have marked on here anyway. So I think we're going to get a rally to new highs or to 72,000. Do your own research. These markets are crazy. Composite Man definitely shook everybody out. Appreciate it, David. Yeah, I was heading out, and as I started falling, I decided I better call off the Saturday night party. So let's hope they hold here. Again, I think that was the low. We had, I didn't catch a lot of interesting things. What, XRP down to $1.15. BNB 420, what, 428 or so, 430. Anybody new? Patreon.com/learncrypto. My boy Nick might be in bed, missing the party. I don't know where he's at. Anybody new? We still like BNB, Bake Cake, XXP, SXP. I would like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Anything here probably is okay to buy. ADA, I was wanting a break. So I guess you're saying we did get that. You are correct. $1.10 showing at Bittrex. So that's cool. I kept saying that the Bitcoin looked weak to me. I didn't like the way it was acting. My stocks rallied. It wouldn't get above 60,000 really. It just kind of was holding up there looking pretty heavy. So my indicators were all neutral. I know everybody was giving me shit for not doing any buying. I did not like Ethereum and Litecoin leaving the bus station without me, but I didn't like the risk. Yeah, Nick gave a buy. He was on the Discord. I figured he'd be in here, but he might have called it a night. He did all he could do. So that's where we're at. 55,200 Bitcoin, 2180 Ethereum, 260 Litecoin. So again, we might come back down, test a little bit more. I don't know. I really think they'll stay with them, and we'll keep rallying here. Discord is, let me give you that, patreon.com/learncrypto. Well, patreon.com, damn it. I've been moving too fast. Let's try that. Yep, tell the girlfriend to go to bed. We ain't got time for none of that. So again, let's hope we rally out of here. I would think that was just a total scare, total liquidation. Got rid of everybody. So I think we'll just try to put it back together here. 54.7 on Bitcoin. Let's hope there's not any more negative news or whatever that was. I don't know if anybody knows. I guess it wasn't the money laundering news. 54,500. I guess it wasn't whales liquidating, I guess. If anybody's got any better call on that, let me know. Anybody say anything? I don't think I really saw anything else. What's up, Marco? Just seeing, scattering back here, looking at some of the old chats. So I've still got a little money laying around. I'm going to try to put to work. Hopefully tomorrow, maybe let it settle down a little bit. Because I don't think bull market's over. I think that was a scare. Let's hope so. Maybe some institution decide to get out. Who knows? 85% retracements in crypto. Whoa. I don't believe in that yet. I mean, I didn't have a real reason to be that bearish there. So let me see. Let's see what the Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index did. I do not have Telegram, no. WWCI 44.6, and again, that's after the rally off the low. I did not catch that during the low. I was too busy entering orders. This could still, I mean, it's not pretty, but I can still see this A, B, C, D, E. If these things hold here and turn higher, I think we could possibly rocket ship. So let's see how the next 24 hours go. Pope John, I don't think that's, I think that's a little bit old news, but maybe that's what finally hit everybody. I'm not sure. Doji holding up is crazy. I mean, Doji's still sitting here at 0.264, which is incredibly, only down 6.79%. Yeah, I don't think, I mean, I've said Bitcoin, I think support is at 40,000 as we talk. So I don't, if we're going down there, I don't think, you know, I guess I would think it's after some type of bounce here or something. I don't think we're going there anytime soon in the few days ahead. Could be wrong. That's why got to have some type of stops in, but stops have got to be kind of wide in a market this wild. So Daytona Dave giving a little bit of explanation. So with no stocks open, we don't have to worry about talking about stocks. I wish I would have the technometer reading on WWCI at the low. 40's been a buy. I got a feeling we probably only had about a 41. So our last buy was here March 23rd, a day from the low. Daytona Dave, everybody was long, so I mean, I guess no one's smart because the whole world was long. I think we was probably the only people that were giving some caution as far as I know. But yeah, we're definitely taking money. It's always rigged to take money from the public and put it in the composite man's hands. So I'll probably have a steak for sure. I'd like to go out for a cocktail right now. I was going out. Thank God my doctor buddy was slow and Bitcoin started falling and I got a little bit nervous. So I had to get some extra orders ready. 55,000 Bitcoin holding right in here. 2152 Ethereum. Ethereum's low was 1940, a little bit below that. I had buys at 1860. I had warned of maybe a red bar down. I thought 1860 would be good, but I went to market before that. I didn't think we would. I didn't think we'd reach 1860. So far that was the play. I would think stocks open down some. I've not heard of anything about it, so I'm still bearish stocks, but they've been holding up extremely well. SXP is not in the software yet, so I think only bars open at 12 o'clock will be strip clubs. They're open till 5 a.m. We got 3 or 4 of those close. So I think I really think stocks will open down a little bit. I'm probably going to get a decent buy on stocks at some point here. I hate to say, because I'm short currently, looking for. We've had lockdowns here, Mike, but strip clubs opened up. I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago to full hours. Bitcoin 55,273. There's that Ethereum chart. Strong is unbelievable. If Bitcoin's surging here, Ethereum going to take a moonshot probably. Yes, definitely essential service. Stress relief, that's what it is, I believe. Yeah, I want stocks to bleed a little bit, and then let's see what happens over there. I mean, they're still holding in pretty well. My technometers were coming off overbought somewhat. SPY was still overbought. If you go to wyckoffsmi.com to week in review, I posted it earlier today to get it out of the way. That's free. Anybody new, wyckoffsmi.com, the original institute by Wyckoff. I do own it. I do Elliott Wave on top of it. If you're not up tonight to trade, we do manage clients' assets, so if you missed it, you probably want to give us your money through a trading API. TLT hopefully will rock and roll. I would think bonds would rally during this, so we shall see. GBTC, I mean, I'd be a buyer if it opens down enough. Probably going to have to buy it no matter where it opens, because I don't think it's going to, I would think Bitcoin will be higher than 55,000 when we come into tomorrow night's opening, and also Monday morning's opening, when the first chance you're going to get to buy that. I probably would buy coin too, any of those things, Mara, Riot, some of those. So let's hope that was a major low. Let's hope that was the wave E. Let's throw up a few charts here since we do this during the day. XLM USD consolidated, 69 to 45. Some of these I talked about coming back and do a backup to the creek. That's pretty well what that thing did. I'd say XLM higher. ADA USD. ADA just sprung everybody out, knocked everybody out. That one should be okay. I think anything here is probably all right. Let's go back. What was I going to do? At TLT, I did that in the week in the review. Major overbought, but I think we'd have a little bit of rally here. So we will watch that. Let's go down and look at some of these other coins like DOT. Here's H-bar. I know a lot of people look at that. Probably sprung the lows, knocked everybody out. That one probably could go higher now. Hex, same type of thing. Shook everybody. AV, shook everybody. File USD, shook everybody. Took everybody's stops out. Uni, holding higher. Probably will lead us back. Algo, same type of thing. YFI, BUSD, I would think put itself back together. DOT, I think I'd mentioned something back to 38, 39, so definitely way below there. I would think it put itself back together again. ZIL, let's look at ZIL while we're down here. ZIL USD, strong. Springing an uptrend. I think ZIL should come right back, I would think. Zen, one of Nick's favorites. My God, it went to 138. Who's your daddy? Nick killed that one. Still at 100 in front of that sell-off. Should work its way back near the highs, I would think. VET USD, same type of thing. Put itself back together, I would think. I'm a registered investment advisor. Let me run a disclaimer. Do your own research. This is not individual investment advice.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
All right, Ren, a buck. I think Nick bought that last time at 101, I believe, after trading it a little. Did run to buck 22. I don't think he's running any stop. I would think that one again put itself back together, get back above that 122 level again, I think. $54.9 on Bitcoin, 21.51 Ethereum, 252 Litecoin. SXP, let's look at that real quick. I was looking at Ren on Coinbase. I'm really just looking for prices more than anything, but I do hear you. Normally I wouldn't have that one chosen, but I must have. Ren, USDT, Binance. Okay, a little red bar. Crying out loud. All right, that's why you said look at it on Binance. F that. NEO's been a strong one, 105 down to 73. I would think that one's okay. 54.7 Bitcoin. We're going to have volatility all night. I don't know how I'm going to get any sleep. Probably need to go drinking, even though I don't really drink. 2 beers, I'll be done. SXP down to 354 after 550. Made a 306. So we definitely knocking the leverage people out of the game. Yeah, that would have been a nice snag on Ren. God. What a world we live in. Tomo, USDT, down 20.7%. 370 to buck 90. Whoa. I was telling people to buy on a dip, so hopefully I saved somebody a little bit of money or got some good buys in. Let's hope that sell-off, we don't see the lows again. That will bother me. I need that to be a spike low. So far, Bitcoin holding right around here, 54,900, so no problem so far. Yeah, those are some red dildos. Don't doubt that. Let's look at Doji. Shout out to my client that picked up, I don't know what it was, 130,000 on that puppy. Sold a lot of that, 32 to 36. I mentioned that on the last stream. That one could be traded, I guess. I mean, I won't. But it's got all the idiots on it, so I probably would trade it. EOS almost touched 9, down below 6. I think EOS could turn up here and look pretty good as well. One that I've not been on, but we used to be, Decred, DCR USD. Boy, 15 to 260. Back to 213. Nick, what's up? 12 o'clock midnight. We're still at it. Patreon.com/learncrypto. Nick's been over in the Discord. I see that. He was just over there talking. So we got too much going on. So there's a lot to managing money and managing a Discord with 600 people in it. So 189 people. Appreciate the support. Give me a like, share, do something. Nick, if you got anything else to offer here, I'm pretty well shot my load. I ain't got much else to talk about. Would like to see these things stay firm. Let's go back. Anybody knew what we're looking at here? That's my count. That's been my preferred count. E got a little deep on maybe some news or just everybody getting panicked out. If that low gives away, I don't know what the count would be. I mean, the count would be almost like if today's low doesn't hold, you'd almost have to say that was an A, B, C, D, E ending fifth. So start over here at 33,000 and the rally to 64 plus was an ending diagonal, which I hate to say, that would mean we go right back to the beginning of the diagonal, which would be 32,000. So I think if we start breaking 51 and getting ugly again, boy, 32.2 could be support. I've been saying I thought 40 would hold. I do think we're leaning more bullish on all these counts. That's why it's been tough to trade. So I'd say 37,000 would be support if all hell breaks loose. Bayran, just close your eyes and throw a dart at anything you want. It's all good here. That's what I'd do. Put $100 in 10 coins and order up your Lambo. But not investment advice. $6 billion worth of Bitcoin liquidated. Cool. Ren, we like. That's one of Nick's buys. It's right at his buy level. Buy Ren. Pre-order the Lambo. I'm thinking about getting a Corvette. I can't afford a Lambo. I like the new Corvettes. Well, there's Bitcoin back to 55.2, Ethereum 2165, Litecoin 254. Bitcoin acting very, very good. I don't have much more to say, so I guess we'll call it a night. Looks like my camera. Hold on a second. So again, that's the preferred count. Low is in. We're going higher. Put your seatbelt on. Buy Cardano. Yeah, I'd buy it. Close your eyes and buy it. Do like Nick did at the lows back at 3,700, I think it was. Mortgage the house and buy it. No, don't do that. 55.3 Bitcoin. Bitcoin, let's go to the 5-minute chart. My God, these things rally back here. Ooh, baby. Let's go to the 3-minute chart. Be nice to see a 56,000 plus print here. Cool on the pool. Our pool is getting opened up Tuesday afternoon, so I got a guy fixing some deck work right now. Anybody wants to go to Vegas in the next month or 6 weeks or a couple months, let me know. I would do a Vegas trip. If we go to new highs on Bitcoin here, I think the whole world should go to Vegas. ETC 3440, making a high of 50, came down to 30.68. I would think they'll come back for ETC as well, I would think. Truth, let me give you a wrench. XRP, same type of thing. $1.15 on the low. Let's go to the software here real quick. This is our Wyckoff Pulse of the Market software, bringing volume from 140 exchanges plus. Right, don't worry, we'll call it a convention. Then the wife cannot say anything. Then we'll just have it at, damn, what's the strip clubs out there? Can't even remember my favorite one. $1.28 Ripple, 44 on the technometer. I mean, really support was around $1.15, and I think Ripple will put itself back together. Bitcoin 55,420. You can take the wife to the male strip club. The B, what's up? Scariest day in the history of crypto futures. I'm glad I was in cash. Ren's a buy because Nick said so. Yeah, Spearmint Rhino. Oh yeah, they got a pyramid. What was it? I have been a Spearmint Rhino. The TP room. They had a TP room back when I was there. Raiders game would be cool. 55.5 Bitcoin. 2182 Ethereum. 259 Litecoin. Who's your daddy? Again, we'll try to give a few more buys. Probably, if we can get this news behind us, it's pretty risky to go 100% long here, I think. But I do think that is probably the trade. But let's see if we can get anything figured out overnight. 55,650. What's up, CB? I was supposed to go, I'm supposed to go May 14th, I think it is. I got some friends going. I don't play poker, or that would be fun. 55,710 Bitcoin. Sellers are gone. There's no sellers left, I don't believe. All the sellers sold the low. All right, nothing to talk about in the software. Let's go back to Trading View. Bitcoin 3-minute. Off the low. Matic Tech, I will give you that. I'm sure most of them are coming off the lows quite a bit. Here's Matic USD. $40.8 on the technometer. That's after the low, so I think Matic's good here. I would love to buy Mara right now. I don't know where it'll open. If Bitcoin stays here, I'm sure they'll slap it. I'm sure I would buy it. I was looking for just a little bit lower. I mentioned I think technometers on all those were around 41. So would love to buy them on this sell-off. Probably you're going to buy them Monday morning anyway on Mara, Micro, Strategy, Riot, any of those. Agreed, the beeve. All weak hands have been slapped and gone, hopefully. Maxine needs help. LSK. LSK USD consolidated. Spring in an uptrend is what that is. If nobody doesn't know what that is a Wyckoff trading opportunity. You've got support here. Went down, stopped everybody out, screwed everybody, and now hopefully we'll rally out of here, get some good volume off the lows, test the low a little bit, and then head higher. So 41.6 on the technometer. That's after the low was made. So OP is going to new lows as we speak. So I think we'll still, as I said, I think we'll put everything back together. Digibite out of the blue doubled when you wasn't looking. Quick move on Digi. Now my software is screwed up. Hold on a second. The lizard man doesn't think Bitcoin's done dropping. Well, that's why we have markets. Everyone's got an opinion. I've been looking for this break, so I guess if he was looking for it, don't think the low's in, cool. If you got caught long and looking for still lower, then you're a fool. Digibite USD consolidated. Probably everybody got caught long. Now they're going to look for lower. Won't happen. Digibite jumps a creek. Backs up to it here. A major back up to it. I would think Digibite can put itself back together. Good green volume coming out of this break to new highs. Same type of thing. Jump across the creek. Back up to it. On lower volume. Nothing wrong with that one. Appreciate it, Truth. 55,650 Bitcoin. Neo, I just went over that. Neo looks good. Indicators, Claudio is force, optimism, pessimism, and technometer. Those are Wyckoff proprietary indicators. You can only get them on our software. That's what we use for our trade setups. Crypto software is not available to subscribers as of yet. I got developers working on that. Bitcoin holding in here. So you just almost have to join our Discord to get any information on it. Here's NULS USD. Not sure that's what you're wanting. No volume there. Can't help you. Chainlink, yeah, you should have brought that when we gave our buys, I'm sure. We was a buyer exactly on that break, so hopefully everybody got some decent buys. Ryan, you go to patreon.com/learncrypto. Once you pay the $40 there, then Nick sends you the Discord link. So once you pay, you get the Discord link sent to the Patreon account. So currently, that's the only way to have it set up. So pay at patreon.com/learncrypto. Shortly thereafter, if Nick's not asleep or if I'm not asleep, you'll get a link sent there. Then you'll be into Discord. Taken from years of experience, best advice, I mean, I would buy here. We bought that break. I'd be long here. I think the next 5 years, crypto's still the place to be. There will be major slaps in the face, so be careful. I really try to stay risk averse, so I'm probably a pretty good, keep everybody a little more even kelter. Buy it, never sell. That could be that could be it as well. We recommend normally 70% hodl bags, trade 30 for the average person. AMC we'll talk about Monday, but I've been bearish stocks, small losses. What a joke, $40 for a Discord link. Once you explain yourself, self-isolated, and be careful and don't make an ass out of yourself. Because I don't know, self-isolated, you must be new. Bitcoin 55,604, Ethereum 2184, Litecoin 260.52. That'll do all right for you, Puck. Yeah, you're new. We have 600 people paying $40, and probably most of them would say it was life changing. So if you ain't got 40 to spend, that's sorry to hear. 55,650 Bitcoin. That's really all I got. XCM, I will show that. Truth. XCM USD consolidated. XCM USD consolidated 40.06. New low on the volume. So again, I mean, I think any of these got washed out. I think they self-isolate. If you don't shut up, I'm going to delete you. So keep it up. And I do not need your bullshit. Too busy making money over here. 55,700. So I am not in the mood for any child's bullshit at the moment. I will say that. 55.6. Appreciate it, David. Yeah, you're right. 40 is a joke. I thought maybe he was saying that because that is a joke. We should be way higher than that. But we're in it for the long term, trying to build a good community, and we've got one, so we're good. Ethereum, I would have bought on that break. I'd still buy it here. Yeah, he's probably mad because he was leveraged long at the top. So, guys, I am out of here. I am going out for a drink. It's 12:16 a.m. here. I've done all the damage I can do. Let's hope that we don't have another break too hard from here. I don't mind a little backing and filling, but let's hope we continue higher. Neo 83.35. Right. He probably was 14 years old. All right, guys. Hey, Coin Ghost, what's up? I'm out of here. We'll be back maybe tomorrow if something crazy happens. I'm sure Monday at 2 o'clock for sure. Let's hope we get new highs here, and we'll trade it from here on out. So appreciate it. Anybody new, I'm going to run a Discord commercial and a PCG private client group where we manage for you. Appreciate everybody. I'm out of here.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100 plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.